Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Telegram and making sure location permission is allowed. Otherwise, the app can't access GPS. Next, pick the chat or channel where you want the pinned spot so context is correct. Tap the paperclip or attachment icon, then select location. This brings up the map interface. Once the map loads, you'll see your blue dot or a search field. Use it to find the place you want a pin before moving to precise placement. Now position the pin. Either tap the blue dot for your current spot or drag the map until the marker is exactly where you need it. If the place is remote or specific, type an address or paste coordinates into the search box to jump there. Decide whether to send a static location or send live location for a duration. Live updates track movement, static stays fixed. Make sure the marker name and thumbnail match your intent before sending. After sending the location, tap the message and choose pin to top so everyone finds it quickly. Pick visibility settings like everyone or admins only to control access. Once pinned, verify the pin by reopening the chat. It should appear at the top and link back to the map. If pinning fails, make sure you have permission in that chat and that location services are enabled. Also restart Telegram or resend the location if the map preview won't load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.